a virus affects the immune system, leaving the cat vulnerable to other infections. With my cats that are FIV positive, I have them on a nutritionally balanced, good quality diet. I've not had to spend any money on any medications for them. It's just been food and love. He did have an infected canine tooth that was removed, so we want to make sure that any health issues that can cause infections are taken care of. He did have a little eyelid surgery to help the hair rubbing against his eyeball.